Hi folks, I'm going to show you how to make one of the parts for one of these. You only need to know how to make one, and you just make 6 instead, and then glue them together. You can put a base on if you want, and I'll put the wee drill on top, just so that I can pull it out a wee bit, and then I can lift this from where the rest are onto my desk. Okay, so start by a sheet of 12 by 12, or you could do an 8 by 8. I think anything smaller you would end up with something like that, which isn't very big, but I suppose if you're making, you could make a couple of them and an 8 by 8 and a 12 by 12 and stick them all together to put on your desk. Anyhow, what we do, right, I've forgotten I started to fold this, so anyhow, fold it in half, make a good crease. Please excuse my workbench, but I'm in my bed. Okay, open it up, put this piece to the middle, again do a good crease. This piece to the, I've done that thing, there you go, if it doesn't matter. Get a good crease. Right, open it up. Now, open it up. Sorry, I'm going ahead of myself, aren't I? Turn it the other way and do the same again. Hard working on the bolts, but anyhow, this piece. Nothing's working right for me today, but anyhow, not to worry. I'm sure you'll get the gist of it. And fold that into the middle. Rub the meal down or whatever. And down and put this one into the middle. So when you open it up, you've got all these squares. What you next do is you put your corner, depending on what one you want facing outside. I think I'd rather that facing outside, so I'll fold this corner in. Make it like exactly into your corner, like that. And you do it on all 4 corners. Once you get going with these, you get a whole thing made in no time. Turn around. Oh, I've got to bring my clips, but never mind. And it doesn't matter if you're a wee bit off, you can work around that when you glue them together. If you look at mine, there's some high, some low, whatever, you know. And there we go. Then what we do, fold that one in, fold that one in. There we go. Then, I don't know if I've done this right. There, that one in, that one in, hold it the other way, and you take one end and you push it inside the other. And it sounds a bit weird, but a wee bit jiggling. You get it in there. There we go. And that's the whole thing made. What you can do is like crisp up your edges. that. There we go. And if you want a different picture in there, say you've used single side paper, you can put anything in there. I mean, you can cut a piece that's that size and slide it in there with it. And slide it back together. Once you glue them together, then that's it, it's set.